As a YouTube creators, I think what actually happen is before we start making money on this our YouTube channel, we need to gain our 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily get your 4,000 watch hours without posting so many content, because there are a lot of people who have been posting content just because they actually want to get that 4,000 watch hours. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you at least 3 YouTube tips you need to start doing today to get your 4,000 watch hours. Now, the first thing you need to put at the back of your mind is know that before you can get your 4,000 watch hours so quickly, you need to be uploading long form video. If you are the type that usually upload a short form video, to get 4,000 watch hours is going to get you a longer period of time. That's why you need to know that yes, long form videos are the one that generate a lot of watch hours. Just imagine you posted a video that is more than 3 minutes, or let me say you posted a video that lasted 8 minutes, and people who watch it, they watch like 3 minutes out of your videos, and the video actually gets a lot of views. Do you know how many watch hours you are going to get just from that single video? Because on this YouTube platform, how many people usually get views and usually get watch hours is once they continue to make content, there will just be a certain period of time where one of their videos will just pick up. Like, let me say, what if that video is 8 minutes and just pick up like 10,000 people watch it, or let me say 30,000 people watch it. Do you know how many watch hours you are going to get? That's why today you need to know that long form videos are the one that generate a lot of watch hours aside from short form videos. So today, just know that this is the first YouTube tip. Long form videos are very, very important for you to get your 4,000 watch hours so easily. Now, the second thing you have to know is the first 10 seconds of your videos. Have you studied your YouTube analytics? Have you checked the period of time people spend while watching your videos? If you are not doing this, just go to your YouTube analytics and check the duration, how many people, how many time people spend watching your videos. Let's say the first 10 seconds, some people just watch first 10 seconds and leave. This is not a good signal for the YouTube algorithm, because this will show that the audience did not like your content and they leave. So once they continue to do like that, then YouTube algorithm will not recommend your videos to many viewers. So you are not going to get views. So that's why you need to study the first 10 seconds of your videos by checking that analytic. This one will show you how you can improve your content. The first beginning of your content should be entertaining, should be informative, should actually trigger people to continue to stay and watch your videos for more than 1 minute, more than 2 minutes, because you need to keep audience watching your videos before you can get a lot of watch hours. Yes, before you can keep people to watch your videos for more than 2 minutes, you should know that from the beginning you need to start the work. So that's why you need to improve your hook. The first 10 seconds of your video is very, very important. That is the hook. So note this. This is the second tip I actually want you to know. Now, after you have been doing this and you have been uploading your videos very well, I think the third thing you need to do is continue posting. You need to keep your audience watching. Yes, because if you just post, let me say, 10 videos on your channel and you are expecting that 10 videos to go viral, and you refuse to post again because the 10 videos has not done very well, let me tell you, you are only doing yourself, because you have not, maybe the YouTube algorithm has yet to know the kind of audience to suggest your content to. And once you stop, it shows that you are not doing very well. You are not encouraging the YouTube algorithm. That is why you need to stay consistent. Consistency actually matters. Just continue to post, keep your audience watching. And as times goes on, one of your videos will just sprout up, and that's how you start getting views. And you will get your 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours so easily once you keep your audience watching. So that's how to improve it, and that's how you can easily get your 4,000 watch hours without you thinking of this or that. No, just do these 3 tips. The first thing, always upload a long form videos. Second thing, improve your hook, and the third thing, continue to keep your audience watching. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, make a comment, like video. Thank you guys.